Call of Silence is from the anime movie Attack on Titan. It's a really emotional piece that is beautiful to play on the violin and it's really not too hard to learn. Please write in the comments, how does this song make you feel? To me, it feels really nostalgic and also calming at the same time. Hey, it's Julia from Violin Inspiration and let's learn Call of Silence today. But wait, are you watching this without your violin? Hey, let's be serious, this is not a Netflix show. We are practicing the violin here, so get your violin and post the violin in the comments below if you got it, so that I know that you are actually practicing with me. Congratulations, your violin is here now. That means that you will be able to achieve the goal of this tutorial, which is confidently playing this song with a piano backing track by the end of this video. First of all, you should know that there's two versions of this piece on my channel, a beginner version and an intermediate version. This is the beginner version, so if this one feels a little bit easy, try out the intermediate version on my channel. It's linked below this video. Next to that, to help you sound your best, I've added 2 free downloads under this video. First of all, a PDF of the scale of this piece that matches the scale that this song is written in. It helps you warm up and play this piece more in tune. Second, there's the download of the backing track. You can also find that below this video. Without further ado, let's get started practicing. Let's start slowly and gradually speed up in the play-alongs. You did it! Great job practicing with me. If you were able to play with the play-alongs all the way through, please leave a thumbs up emoji in the comments. I'd love to know if you made it all the way until the end. If you want to learn more anime songs on the violin, I also recommend Bing Steak and House Moving Castle. You can find both of these songs on my channel. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Next week there will be a new, really fun tutorial to learn. So if you want to learn more beautiful music on the violin, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification. Happy practicing!